Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to activate Siri on your iPhone. So basically Siri is a feature on iPhone that can be your voice assistant and listen or respond to everything that you say and you ask your command to Siri itself. So how to activate it? You just need to open the setting and scrolling down until you found Siri and search. So you just need to click them, and right after that on the top side there will be like ask Siri and there will be like listen for on the top line here. So you just need to click it. Now you just need to choose how to activate Siri. You can just click Siri or Hey Siri, or you just need to activate them with Hey Siri only. So let's say I want to do this, and then you just need to confirm that you want to enable Siri. The next thing you need to do is just follow anything on the screen. You just need to read the script that pop up on your screen. Let's just continue. Now you already activated Siri, so whenever you want to ask for Siri help, you just need to say Hey Siri or Siri, and then the Siri will respond to you. So that is the way guys, how to activate Siri on your phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.